Yeah, good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another segment, another episode of Trade Trends. So today we'll be starting off with gold. Actually, I've been away for some time because I have a lot of things going on. So I've actually been away for some time, which I'm very sorry for that. But regardless, I was still recording videos, but they are not just Trade Trends episode. But now it is time for Trade Trends episode. This is Monday morning. Then we'll kick off with gold. So I'm just going to go to the weekly time frame. So if anyone can remember in gold, I said there is a strategy. There is a strategy in there is a rule in trading which that is if a market should trend for should range for a certain period of time, the market is also going to trend for that particular period of time. Which I said, if you follow my trade trends episode religiously, you get to understand what I'm saying. I said if the okay market range for this particular price of time, this particular time, then it is going to uh trend for that particular set of time. So and we rounded up it to the to psychological level, which is 2,600 per ounce. You guys know how psychological levels work. I've used it countless time on here. So and I also, if I can remember, I also mentioned about a price being in a range. So I said the price is currently priced right now, but it has been priced out. So whenever a market is moving within certain period of levels, just within time, like specifically what I mean is technically what I mean is that if a market is in a range, that is it is priced in, but when the markets break out of the range, it means it is priced out. So that's what I mean technically. So our next level target for gold on higher time frame is 2,600. Moreover, so you know we can have immediate trend over the overall trend. So like what's happened on the on the on the on the higher time frame, gold just shoot off, although it broke out of the range, but it just shoot off. At least you have to wait for yeah, we have to wait for a retracement, which is something that is likely to happen now. So the gold is going for retracement. That's what is happening with gold right now. It is going for a retracement, so probably after a retracement it is going to shoot all the way to the upside. So that's it. So moreover, we can have the immediate trend over the overall trend. So I did my counter trade line to support the market all the way to the upside. The market broke it, and if you can see, this is a the market failed to close higher. I see guys can see this seems like a double, a double top, and this is the neckline. So if at all the market is not going to break, it's not going to form the double top, it will at least come um to the neckline. It will at least come to the neckline to fulfill the law. But if at all it is not going to break it, so I'm very sure if at all it is not going to break, if it's not going to break this neckline, it will at least come here. The market will at least come here to fulfill it. Am I in this trade yet? No, not yet. I'm waiting for the perfect entry on the 1 hour time frame. As you guys can know, gold can be very very volatile, and if I should see, it is not, if I should enter this trade from here, my risk is not even 1 to 1 risk to reward, which is I don't take trades like that. I'll have to sit on my hands or chill. I have another trade lining up for me to enter, so there's no point in risking what I'm not satisfied with. So I will just have to wait. So if you can also see, this is like field a field pattern, a field inverse head and shoulder. And what does that signify to us? Market is not ready to go up currently. It might later go up. From our analysis, gold is bullish, but currently the market is not ready to go up. As you guys can see, this is the left shoulder, head and right shoulder. So and it failed. Okay, this was what I was saying about if the market forms a chart pattern. If it is not going to if it is not going to fulfill it, it will at least come to the neckline. This is what happened with, you see, it is the same principle with trading. So this is the left shoulder, right shoulder, and um left shoulder, head and right shoulder. You see, the three come to the neckline. Although it didn't break it, the inverse head and shoulder failed, but it's at least come to the neckline. So the same principle is going to apply to this. Is going to apply to uh is going to apply to to this too. So it might not form that double top, but it will at least come to the neckline to fulfill that principle. So what I was saying was that since the inverse head and shoulder neckline, head and shoulder, sorry guys, since the inverse head and shoulder failed, it signifies to us that it is not ready to go up currently. It wants to come for some pullbacks. So what are we going to do? How can we profit off it? So we are just going to wait for me, I'll just have to wait for the market to shoot up, it beats all the way to the upside. I'm going to use my Fibonacci level. You guys know I love to use this Fibonacci tool a lot. So I'm just going to wait for the market to come around it, and if I should see any candlestick pattern bullish engulfing, then I'm selling all the way to the downside, and then I will be able to minimize my stop loss because the stop loss is a lot. I'm not just going to lie. If I will have to use the lowest lot, I will be risking about $25 just in a trade. Although you can't, the thing is that the trade is a nice setup, but you can't place trade just because it is nice. You have to do what's best for your trading. It is a principle you have to follow. Am I ready to risk that amount of money right now? No. So I'll have to wait. If the market comes to my uh to my to my Fibonacci level, retracement level, fine. I'll enter the trade. If it doesn't and go all the way to the downside, it is fine. We are going to it is something we are going to I will see a lot of trade. I will see another trade somewhere else. So I don't have to force trade. There is a lot of opportunity in the forex market. We don't have to force trades. So that's it for gold. I'm going to go over uh, British GPBAUD. Actually, I was in this trade, and I see, like I was saying the other time, I said to you guys that if there's this thing about the market, if the market is not ready to form a chart pattern, it will at least come to the retracement. As you guys can see, this is um as you guys can, this is the right shoulder, head, and this seems like the left shoulder. So yeah, I thought it is actually a a double bottom. So this seems like a manipulation. Like that's how the sheet works. That's what I thought. This is how I'll come and explain what I mean by this manipulation to you guys in probably in some video, because I've been working on a course lately which I'm going to upload totally to YouTube for free. So guys who people who do that just want to start trading from beginning will get to I uh, I we get to benefit from it. I'm going to release how to start trading from scratch videos. So I'm probably, I said it in the videos I make. That's why I say you guys should subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get to see whenever I release any of these videos. You guys should will get to see it. But so I said in that video that I'm going to release the video from start that way. So That's it for now, sha. That's it for now. So I will just, you guys should just subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to update you during the week how we are going to go about that. So what I was saying is that, so you see, this is the neckline. It is the neckline um that made the this trade to come back to this level here. So it is fine. It is fine. We got stopped out for break even. I moved my stop loss. I was in the trade from here, so I moved my stop loss to break even. Although we profited about 20 pips. It is not what we wanted, but then again, we still have to sit on our hands. So what's the next thing we are going to do? I'm just going to wait for this break of this counter trend and this level, then retest back on it. I'm going to shoot all the way to the upside again. This is like a left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So we are going to shoot all the way to the upside. There's still a lot of money to be made with this. So I'm just, as you guys can see, this is where the trade gets to before it turns back. So I didn't delete it intentionally because of you guys, because actually me, I don't like to, I don't like to have a lot of my chats. So that's it. So what is the next thing for us to do? We are just going to wait for it to break this counter trend line and this level, retest back on the level, then we are shooting all the way to the upside. We are capitalizing on it because it has tested us. It said to us right now that it is not ready to go. So for it to come to break this counter and this trend line and this level, it means you come out, I'm ready to go. So that's the point about it. You are going to capitalize a lot on it. So this is the second trading opportunities I will be giving to you guys about that, about the gold. If you know you are you if you get to see this video now, if you know you can particularly like risk that much on gold, I think you should enter gold now, because although gold is still slightly retracing, if you should go over to all this 1 hour, the trend depends on the time frame that it is. So it is still probably trending upward in the 1 hour time frame. So I want it to trend to some certain levels, then I will get to enter from there. So that's it. Let's go over uh, Euro USD. Actually, Euro USD is the trade that I've been anticipating on. So what's happening? I'm going to go over Euro USD. Actually, we are supposed to enter the market. Okay, let me go over to the monthly time frame. I explain from the monthly time frame for you guys. So what's happening? Actually, this is like this is this is double top, the neckline broken, and the test back on the. I think it has moved past the neckline. But if I should use my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low, it is probably the same thing. So this is the market seems to form something like a double top, because this is the first top came to this neckline here. The base, as you guys can see, it is a very, like, it is a major level, came to here, and I thought it wants to form head and shoulder. The market said no, you don't have to thought here, you have to do what I say. And I said, okay, market, I'm going to do what you say, just form nicely for me so I can make money. Although I'm not here to argue with you that you have the authority to do whatever you like. I'm just saying, you markets, I want to make money from you. So that's it. So the markets, I was about to short from here, but to my biggest surprise, the market spiked all the way to the upside, and it's broke through it's broke through this level here, this level here. It's broke through this level here. And if you guys can see, whenever there is a level broken, the resistance will be the next level. So whenever this is broken, so this will be the next resistance line. So what we are just going to do is to chew. I think AUD Euro USD still has a way to the upside. That's what I think personally. But as like what the market said to me before. You don't have to think this is what I'm going to do. You just have to act on it. And I say, okay, Mr. Market, I'm just going to act on it. So what I think doesn't matter. You are just going to do what the market says to us. So let me go over today. But this is still on the weekly time frame. There's still a lot of day. But what are we going to do? We are just going to go over, because sometimes the market might not even want to retrace yet, might just want to fall probably, so might just want to like retrace for a while, like that. The same thing happening on gold. Gold is not ready to go all the way to the downside. It is just retracing for the moment. So that's it. So I spotted something nicely on the euro USD, as the market is not ready to form nicely for is not forming yet on the weekly time frame for us. As you guys also know, we can't trade on weekly time frame. We only use them for analysis. But with what the weekly time frame is saying to us, that the she is like is all the way, it's explained to us that it is all the way to the upside, but currently I might want to go for a pullback. So if you guys can see from my chart, this is left shoulder, head and right shoulder. So the market broke the neckline, broke. You can see in this case, this is a trend reversal. The market broke the trend line. It is a very clear case of trend reversal. The market broke the trend line. So what we are just going to do is to broke the trend line, broke the neckline. You see, this is a too fucking good. Sorry, this is a too good confluence. So what we are just going to do is that we didn't enter in the break of this big candle, big ass candle. We did enter there because we have to put a lot. Our stop loss will have to come above this place. I will be having a lot of ridiculous stop loss, like 100 pips or almost 200 pips. So what um I just did is that I sat on my hands. So I'm waiting for the market to come back to my retracement level. Then any candle from there, any bearish engulfing, any bearish candle, I'm just going to enter. But I will prefer a bearish engulfing candle from there. So I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait for the market to do a thing. So if it comes here, and give us a bearish candlestick pattern, we are selling there. Our stop loss will come above here. Then we'll probably make a lot of money. So, but if the market broke here, we are still going to sit on our hands. There will still be a lot of trading opportunities to come. So I have loads of trading analysis and trading opportunities, but for today, because of time, I'm just going to leave it to this. The day at least I give you guys two trading calls that you can probably trade today if they are set. Gold, if you can risk a lot, you can enter gold. I can assure you, you can just you just it just require a good money management and risk management. So you can enter gold, you see where my stop loss is. That's where your stop loss is going to be. You can enter gold. Well, if you're a conservative trader like me, you just have to wait. You should calm the hell down. The market should come to a point of interest, then we'll be selling. So the same thing with euro USD. It has broke the trend line, the ascending trend line, which has been formed since let me check. It has formed since August. So what we are just going to do is to be is to very very patient, and it has built the neckline. And as you guys can see, the market has been retracing from here. So we are just going to chill. The market is coming to a point of retrace. We are going to make a lot of money. So thank you for today, guys. Please make sure you subscribe and like my video, so you guys get to see more videos like this. And also don't forget to comment. Peace and love. Don't play.